Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use Hula AI Video Generator. To use the Hula AI Video Generator app, first download it from the App Store on iOS or from Google Play or Android. Just search Hula AI Video Generator, tap Install. Once installed, open the app and allow access to your camera and photo library to get started. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, with features like photo to video remixes, AI avatars, stickers, and more. However, it's important to note that the app does require a subscription for generating any AI content. Most creative tools and effects are locked behind a paywall. Now, to create a video, choose a mode. Say you want to start with a selfie, select your desired theme, like jet flex or magazine shoot, and hit the generate button. Processing usually takes between 30 seconds to 2 minutes, depending on the complexity. Once done, your video will be ready to preview directly within the app. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.